Most people think they're managing their money. They're not. They're managing survival instead. The difference between survival and control starts with a number that isn't glamorous, but it's life-changing. That's why hitting your first $10,000 changes everything. It's not about being rich. It's about finally taking control instead of letting bills, debt, and surprises control you. Before you save your first $10,000, every purchase feels like a risk. After $10,000, you shop with clarity, not fear. A $200 car repair? A surprise medical bill? Suddenly they're inconvenient, not catastrophic. Without savings, every expense feels urgent, even when it isn't. That stress shapes your choices, makes decisions harder, and even holds back your career growth. Having $10,000 in savings gives you margin, the breathing room to think clearly, act deliberately, and make better financial decisions without panic guiding you. That margin means a $1,200 car repair is an inconvenience, not a disaster. Your money finally works for you instead of against you. When you have this foundation, fear no longer drives your choices. You can plan, save, and invest without constantly looking over your shoulder. Because emergencies happen. A single unexpected bill can bankrupt most people, but with savings, you can handle life without falling apart. When fear is gone, clarity appears. You can evaluate opportunities calmly, make smarter moves, and finally feel in control of your finances. And here's the hard truth. High-interest debt costs more than almost any investment ever will. Carrying it while trying to grow your wealth is like running uphill with weights on your ankles. The goal isn't perfection, it's building that first $10,000 one disciplined decision at a time. Every small step compounds into confidence and control. Save your first $10,000 and you'll realize money was never the problem. Structure, clarity, and consistency were. Once you have that, your options expand. You can make decisions freely instead of reacting to emergencies. And my final submission to you is this. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work for it forever. True freedom begins when you turn active income into passive income. That's how you stop chasing money and start owning your time. Start building your passive income today.